This is one of the coolest little security cameras that you can put in your light socket. So when your light is switched on, this thing will be going. So this is the TKENPRO, and it also does come with some other like light sockets to a mini socket, or even the light socket to a plug. So you can just plug this into a regular plug. And so now you can actually spin this thing around, and you can also tilt it down. So it does pan and tilt. It has a speaker on the back so you can have two-way communication. It works outdoor and indoor. You have a TF card slot so you can put a micro SD card and record directly onto that. It also has a light on it. It has motion tracking, and it also knows to track humans. You can set it just for humanoids, and when if someone walks by, it'll actually track them across the screen. And it's really cool. There's so many ways that you can use this, and I think this makes an excellent security camera. You can set alarms to go off. You can fully control it. You can have different presets of different scenes. If you just want to easily go to one spot or the next spot, you can set those up. And it looks good with the 2K resolution. Setup is extremely easy. You just follow the instructions on the app and you'll have this thing up and running within 5 minutes. It is such a great app too. It's probably one of the better ones that I've seen as far as ease of use and easy to figure out what you're doing with it. So all in all, great security camera. I love that it's just, just something you put in your light bulb, and it works really, really well. Perfect size as well for those that are even like recessed light bulbs. So you can put this anywhere. Highly recommended, and thanks for watching.